Hello everyone, here I am again. Now, present in this moment, with love in the process, from my heart to your heart, with love, 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 vibrating love. So, we are getting closer to the end of this year of the 2022. 2022 was the experience that each one of us created, manifested, moment by moment, vibrating love. And how many moments in 2022 we put ourselves out of the present moment to vibrate fear, to vibrate low vibrations, to vibrate dramas, victimism, traumas, anger from the past. And how many moments we put ourselves out of the present moment to vibrate low vibrations from the future, vibrating fear, vibrating lack, vibrating fear of the death. We are not going to have enough money to pay our bills. We are projecting a catastrophic future. All those are past and future low vibrations. It's the time we choose to vibrate low. We choose to vibrate fear. We put ourselves in a density level. When we choose vibrate fear, low vibrations from the past, vibrate fear, low vibrations from the future, we put ourselves out of the reality. The reality is always in the present moment. The reality is always vibrating love, vibrating higher vibrations. Is always enjoyment, is always joy. The life is always to experience low vibrations moments from the love perspective, from the present moment, and not recognize ourselves as low vibrations because our origin is from love vibrations. So, how many moments in 2022 we really stayed in our present moment? That means we really enjoy the life from our heart, from our soul, from the guidance of our beloved little Pepe inner child. We always wish in that time of the year, in the end of the year, much better, much happier, much higher vibrations new year. But it's important that all the year are created by the manifestation of moment by moment. What we create, what we manifest moment by moment. That collection of moments creates our own move of the all entire year. So, which kind of move do you want to create for you, for your 2023? A move that was manifested through low vibrations. That means that you are always immersed in the illusion of the past with fear vibrations, with anger, dramas, and so on, or in the low vibrations from the future, a terrible future, too much fear. Or we can choose to create a move, a storytelling to your 2023 by your heart. That means by you always pay attention to be present in your now, in your moment. That means you are choosing every moment vibrate love, vibrate higher. Enjoy every little things that you have in the now. That means in the end of the 2023, you are going to create an amazing, wonderful movie. Amazing, wonderful experience that you are going to tell. That you are going to look behind and say, wow, I even perceive the time goes fast. The time goes flow because I was present only in the now. I was present in my heart. I was sharing love with myself and around me. I was trusting in my soul, in the universe. I was in the now. Go. Do all the schedules, all the preparations for your 2023 based on your heart. Ask your inner child, yeah, little Pepe, to help you to manifest harmony, balanced happiness. Bring your humanity, your material side in balance with your spiritual side. That means happiness. That means serenity. That means flowing all your realizations, all your life here in Mother Earth. Trust. Remember, every moment in that new year that you are immortal being. Remember to breathe deeply and calmly. Close your eyes. Put your body comfortable. Meditate. Get the meditations in our channel that you exercise the contemplation. That means bring the higher vibration states that you have while you are with your eyes closed, when you are meditating. Bring that higher state vibrational when you are with your eyes open. Bring kindness. Bring your heart to guide your eyes, to guide your mind, to guide your realizations, to bring prosperity of love, and that love will manifest financial prosperity. But financial prosperity manifested by love vibrations. Choose. Be present in your heart. Choose. Be present moment by moment of 2023. Happy new moment. Happy new year. Happy new awakening, happy, new, healing to your body, emotions, mind, and bring to yourself your energy, your spirituality, your immortality. Thank you all to support our channel. Help me to share love from my heart to your heart. Bye!